Hey everyone, welcome back to Talks Without a Map. Now that the festivities are over, shopping is over, Rohan, I'm really intrigued. Ki, are you a bargaining kind of a person? Ki, you negotiate even for an apple?
Apple during festivities?
I mean, in general.
hmm How should I answer this question? See, I've tried bargaining.
Huh.
Sometimes I've been successful, sometimes absolutely unsuccessful. And थोड़ी वो मुझे शर्म भी आती है
Ah,
bargaining से.
why?
Like I don't even look at the seller while we're going on. Like I'll tell you stories later. But yeah, I am for bargaining, but with a little bit of shame
Sharam.
with it. Yeah.
I'm more of a bargaining kind of a person. Huh? And that small win, that I did it moment, it's not really about stingy, it's about being efficient. That's what I feel.
Efficient.
Huh.
Acha, okay. You mean emotionally satisfied basically. Let's be real. We all bargain for that validation more than the discount.
True. And it's not just Indians. Bargaining happens everywhere. अभी मैं बैंकॉक जाके आई, I mean थाईलैंड जाके आई, I have bargained and oh my god, what satisfaction I've got.
Yeah.
Right from the hotels, right from the packages, then hotels, and then wherever we went for shopping, it was fun. And even in Mumbai, I do bargain.
Yeah. My friend and I, we had bargained once at Colaba, I remember. कभी कुछ चीज़ें मिली bargaining price पे, कुछ नहीं. My mom does it really well.
है ना?
Very well. मतलब 1,000 रुपए का 200 में दे दो, then you really feel like okay, कहाँ अपना मुंह छुपाऊं मैं then. I mean, I just don't understand how the sellers can stand with a straight face when somebody bargains. अरे 1,000 का 200 या 200
Sometimes
भी.
they insult you.
Yeah, that's what
it has
I'm
happened
saying.
with me.
Yeah.
In Indonesia, I mean, my kids just ran away from me. They say, "Mama, we are not with you."
I remember, I think I've discussed this in some earlier episode when we were talking about bargaining. My friend and I, we had gone to buy a Christmas tree at Crawford Market. And that was the first time we were bringing a Christmas tree home. And the first time we were going to Crawford Market. And my mom had told her, like, if you're going to Crawford Market, you have to bargain.
Yeah.
Because it's known for that. तो क्रिसमस ट्री तो बार्गेन की हमने, कुछ 8,000 का ट्री था, तो वी गॉट इट एट 4,500 और समथिंग लाइक दैट, व्हिच अपेरेंटली कुड हैव इवन गॉट लेसर मे बी. एनीवे, उसके बाद उसके जो सजाने के लिए ऑल दोज डेकोरेटिव पीसेस ऑन द ट्री एटसेट्रा, वी फाउंड अ प्लेस व्हिच हैड सम रियली एक्सक्विजिट मटेरियल दैट कुड हेल्प इन एक्सेंचुएटिंग द ट्री. So we started bargaining because we were successful in the tree bargaining. That man said no. If you want, it's going to be in this price. So we were like, ऐसे कैसे? This is थोड़ा ज़्यादा है ये. And then like, okay, मत ले लो.
Some people are quite stern.
So we turned around and we thought that he'll recall and everything, but he didn't. And the thing is that we had liked those pieces so much that we had to settle for the price that he was saying. So there are mixed experiences on this.
No, some sellers are very stern and they can be very rude to you. तो वो insult लेना पड़ता है sometimes. But I feel so much, happiness, in bargaining. Some people feel कि क्या चिंदीगिरी करना है and all. But as I said, कि it's a emotional satisfaction. And plus sometimes I feel कि the seller is charging exorbitant.
That's how they start. That's the starting selling point, because they know that the customer is going to start bargaining. So if there is a naive person who's completely clueless about bargaining, or he or she is not very comfortable, तो वो उस दाम में ले लेंगे ना. So it's a win-win for the seller at times. तो चीज होगी 500 की, he'll start only with $1,000. तो मिल गया बकरा तो मिल गया.
And you know what? We add a bit of relationship, a bit of emotion and a lot of persistence. भैया थोड़ा कम कर दो ना, रोज तो आते हैं ना हम, even if it's our first visit. And the vendor also knows. Sometimes the vendor also plays along. It's almost like this unspoken social game. you quote less, he quotes high, and somewhere in between you both settle, right?
Of course.
So it's fun.
That's how it is.
Yeah.
Negotiating.
Negotiating.
Yeah, that's true. But you know what I think, bargaining is less about money and it's more about control at times. Like for those few minutes you are like in charge, you know. You get to feel like, see, I didn't just buy something, I earned it. Yeah,
that's true. It's that tiny moment of victory in a day that's otherwise unpredictable.
Correct.
Plus in India, it's also community building. Your sabzi wala probably knows your entire family's preference. Didi ke liye palak le jao, aaj fresh aaya hai. नहीं तो, see, and it's
There is
good.
warmth. There is
Yeah,
warmth in
yeah.
that. Yeah. That warmth is what heats up. Let's just say bargaining. Wah, क्या बोला है मैंने? Maybe that's why people still prefer local markets over supermarkets because you can't do that in supermarkets. You go or forget supermarkets, Starbucks. Coffee लेते हैं ना हम 500 की coffee. How are you going to bargain? Yeah. So you can't do that over there. So there are certain places you can do it because there is that bonding.
Yeah, there's because bargaining isn't just transaction. It's interaction, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
It's interaction. It's not just a transaction.
Yeah.
So, yeah, but some shops, you know, very wisely they write fixed rates, no bargaining possible. But agar bulk purchase, see, if it is a bulk purchase or wholesale thing, wholesale to alag hota hai. They write down only wholesale and everything, but bulk purchase they give us discounts at times. So discount is also in a way bargaining only because we are saying that अरे भैया हम 10 ले रहे हैं तो कुछ तो दे दो ना. Like Manali, I remember we had all taken those jackets, leather ke jackets. None of us had, like 10 or 15 boys, all of us, and there was just one girl who was helping us in bargaining. And the price that she lowered down was amazing. We boys never could have done that.
I think females are better bargainers.
अरे भैया आप देखो ना ये इतने ले रहे हैं and everything. She started telling him. And I think he reduced the price by 40 or some percent or even more because bulk में ले रहे हैं ना, so that discount is also like bargaining at times.
Yeah, but have you noticed our generation grew up bargaining for everything, like auto fares, fabrics, even cable bills sometimes. Now your generation, you guys just open an app and type a promo code.
See, we don't have the energy for face-to-face haggling. Okay, honestly, मतलब वो थोड़ा awkward भी लगता है, like I said. But you give us a discount code box online and we'll go and we'll fully we'll get into the detective mode. Like let me try this. What, save 10 and try new and summer 2025 those codes and everything. See,
it's the same instinct, just gone digital. Earlier it was भैया थोड़ा कम कर दो, and now it's invalid code, try again, or freebies.
अरे obviously it's modern bargaining. Same thrill, just different platform.
Yeah. पहले भैया भाजी लेने के बाद कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री धनिया भी देता था. Okay, but online you can't do that, right?
Yeah. So I was talking about that Starbucks coffee. So I feel that maybe we don't bargain at Starbucks because there is no room for connection there also. Is that why?
It's
no eye contact. There is no eye contact. No, it's not going to be like Didi, ye lijiye fresh beans, coffee beans. It's not that way, right?
Bargaining works only where there's conversation. It's a small reminder that we are still humans and not barcodes, right?
Amazing. So, final thoughts. Bargaining, is it an art? Is it a habit? Or is just a human nature?
I would say it's all three. Art because timing and tone matter. Tone also plays important role. Correct. Okay. Then habit because it's cultural. And human nature because who doesn't love getting more for less?
True. Maybe that's what makes it timeless. Whether it's in a local market, whether it's an online cart, we all love that little sense of achievement.
You know what I do? Like most of the times, Myntra is my favorite app. So what I do, by the way, I'm an influencer on Myntra.
Look who's here.
Yeah. So whatever I like, I keep it in the cart. और जब भी डिस्काउंट आता है एंड आई स्टिल फील कि है मुझे ज़रूरत है उस ड्रेस की या शूज़ की, देन ओनली आई गो अहेड एंड बाय. अदरवाइज सो इससे दो चीज़ें होती है, आई गेट अ गुड डील एंड अदर थिंग इज कि वॉट एवर इज नॉट नीडेड आई डोंट बाय बिकॉज दैट पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट आई फील अरे दिस इज वेरी अट्रैक्टिव, impulse buy. Yeah.
But bargaining helps. Is there any bargaining you can do over there?
No, not bargaining, but they have deals, no? Sometimes the
deals.
2 hours deal
Right.
or festive deals
Yeah.
और ऐसे कुछ
I did that for Amazon because Great Indian Festival. I wanted to buy those ear buds.
हाँ. But could you get it?
Yeah, because they were so I kept them in the cart.
Huh.
I waited till Great Indian Festival, which was like a bargaining season again. Only the thing is that it's like a sale season, and I bought them at half the price. So that was a great
but
cracking
that
thing
was a winning moment for you.
Of course it was.
Yeah,
Ki finally, and it was the right time, right, when I did it.
Hmm.
So definitely try bargaining at least once in your life. That gives you that adrenaline rush, and you feel a sense of achievement. But at the same time, realize don't do any bargaining when it comes to happiness, love, and peace.
Absolutely. So listeners, tell us, do you bargain or do you just pay the price and move on? And what's your most memorable bargaining moment? The one that still makes you laugh or feel proud about. Share it with us. We might just read a few in our next episode. Till then, keep your mind sharp, your hearts light, and your wallets open but cautious. So this was Talks Without a Map.